Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube saya. Ini aku Prisari dengan channel YouTube Warama PXRT. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my future videos. Jadi untuk sa video ini, aku akan bereaksi terhadap video ini dengan judul 1,000 pesos Indonesian Street Food Challenge sa Jakarta. Grabe, parang Pilipinas lang. This Filipino guy again, the true show. So if you want to watch the original video, the link is in my description box. Deskripsi. So this Filipino guy again traveling to Indonesia eating street food with a 1,000 Philippine peso bill. So if it's converted to Indonesian rupiah, I searched this up. It's like 300,000 IDR. So I don't really know if that's big in Indonesia because if it's 1,000 pesos, if you were gonna use it to buy here, it would be like 1,000 candies. So I don't know if in Indonesia you can buy with this 300,000 IDR. Is it also 300,000 candies? I don't really know. So correct me if I'm wrong. Mengoreksi aku jika aku salah. Okay? So yeah, let's watch this street food challenge in Jakarta. Okay. Let's get right into the reaction video. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Good day mga paps, ngayong araw nandito tayo sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Gagawin natin ang 1,000 peso street food challenge.
Ano kasi yung doktor?
Maghahanap tayo ng iba't ibang amazing, cheap, kakaibang Indonesian street food dito sa Jakarta.
Hindi ko gusto yun.
Samahan niyo ako, tignan natin kung saan naabot ang 1,000 pesos natin. Kabinintay natin.
Okay, let's see.
Chura!
Hindi menarik. Video ini sangat menarik ya. Oh, what's that?
100.
It looks like fishbowl.
So Pops, unang food trip natin dito, meron
Fish
dito parang fishbowl, pero
Right?
hindi siya mukhang fishbowl. Anyways, gawa daw sa isda rin. Cheers!
It's a fish cake.
It has a texture of kikiam, malutong. Somehow, may lansang flavor. At the same time, medyo parang may air siya sa loob. Wala siya ganong laman.
Oh,
Anyways, itong lahat, 10,000 IDR to. Pops, ano ba tayo food trip?
10,000. That's a lot. Yo, a lot of fish cake already. Oh, very oily. What is it? Sugar? Apa itu?
Karema kasi. Next natin, hindi kalayuan, literal katabi lang. Meron tayo ditong itlog. Basically, scrambled egg siya. Na parang
29
pinaikot-ikot
pesos.
muna siya at prinito.
No.
At linagyan ng chili sauce at something na powder.
Mahal,
Anyways,
mahal
cheers. Scrambled egg na mas chewy. Then you have the sweet and spicy sauce. Sarap!
Delicious. 29 pesos. Jual po sa takoyaki. Wow. What is this, pancake? Wait, no. Oh, Milo. Oh. Condensed milk.
O pare, this is amazing. Para siyang
Liquor.
gumagawa ng
Creepy.
pancake
Creep.
habang
14
iniikot to. At
pesos.
umiikot din yung mismong
14.
parang
I
pinaka-griller
think that's
natin or griddle.
understandable for 14 pesos.
Set up to. Siyempre, masarap. Luto niya yun. Anyways, pare. Sumorder ng chocolate tsaka Milo. Tikman natin.
Ah, it looks like pizza. That looks good.
Pare, tikman na natin. Alam mo, mukha siyang crepe.
Crap.
Di siya pala pancake. Anyways, dalawa to, isang Milo, isang chocolate. Bahala na ko ng unang matikman. Tikman ko muna itong nasa ilalim.
Crap.
I think yun yung Milo. Oh, sarap. Sobrang nipis na malutong na parang papel Milo. Lasang-lasa mo. Sobrang lutong niya. Isa naman,
It's really
this
delicious
is
though.
amazing. This is good, pare.
For 2 pesos. I think you only have like 900 pesos left. Siomai? What's that? Siomai.
Pare, next meron tayo itong bakso
Oh,
mala.
bakso
Actually, yung
mala.
bakso means meatballs at favorite ng mga Indonesians ang iba't ibang meatballs. So, pakita ko sa inyo to. This is a soup dish na may giant tofu,
Tofu.
may fried wontons, steamed wonton. Ito yung meatballs natin. Tapos, meron din yung vermicelli noodles sa ilalim. Anyways, hindi ko alam kung
It looks
paano
like
sisimulan. Gusto
sotanghon.
kong simulan sa meatballs nila. Cheers! Parang kumakain ng mismo bola-bola. Ang init, very meaty, spongy, bouncy na.
Wow, it
Parang
looks
itong
so
pwede mong gawing
tasty.
stress ball. In terms of lasa, parang miswa lang din talaga. Lagyan ko
like
ng
miswa.
konting chili, wonton at vermicelli sa isang kagat. It's not the most flavorful dish na matitikman mo dito sa Jakarta. I mean, of the crunchy and meaty wonton, noodles, yeah, parang bihon lang yung texture niya. Then the broth, malinis lang din. Parang kang humigop ng tinolang mabawang.
You said it just tastes like plain, but with flavor, a little flavor. Oh, chicken. Chicken. Ayam. Sate ayam.
Pops, meron tayo itong bebek or
Oh,
duck.
it's
Look at the
duck.
size of this. Init. Look at the size of these wings. Sobrang laki. Ngayon nakita ng ganitong kalaking duck. Anyways, may chili, may sambal din yan. So ako curious ako kung ano to. Lagyan ko ng konting chili, lagyan ko ng konting sambal.
Pedas.
Hindi ko alam kung ano siya pero
What is that?
it's soft, mushy. Parang kumakain ng utak ko yung texture niya. And then, parang may strong turmeric taste na hindi ko masabi. Wow! Hindi ko gusto yun. Anyways,
He
punta
didn't
tayo
like
sa
it. What was that?
napakalaking duck wings. Siguro paano naging wings to ng duck. Anyways, cheers!
Yo.
Bawing-bawi sa duck. Ang juicy. Ang lutong. Simple marination. Grabe, Pops, makita nyo lang ang fatty nung balat. Look at that. Parang kumakain ka ng layer ng baboy.
He said it tastes like pork.
Gagawin ko, kuha ko ng balat, kuha ko karne, lagay ko sa chili,
Really?
kuha ko sambal dito. Ang sarap ng sambal. Though di siya ganun sa katamisan side, parang sobrang mabawang siya.
What does it taste like?
Sit up! Nice! Sit up! Ito ba talaga, grabe?
Korean. Fried rice. Okay.
Yan!
Taco Bell.
Kung pare next natin, Indonesian
Si
nasi
goreng
goreng
udang.
udang. So, shrimp
145.
Actually, the plating is
Pesos.
nice. It's a very colorful plate.
Wow.
May dilis tayo dito, scrambled egg, sibuyas, ito yung hipon natin. Anyways, gusto ko muna tikman yung kanin mismo with that crackers. Cheers.
Ooh.
Ibang-iba to dun sa hinayin ko na siguro yung kambing last time. Ito, less Indian or less Arabic style. Though may turmeric pa rin, may soy sauce. At kahit parang renihit na lang siya, masarap pa rin. Itong parang hot sauce nila.
Hot sauce
Patay ng
again.
dilis. At tong onions. Kuha ko ng hipon dito.
Nasi
This is a
goreng.
perfect nasi goreng bite. Yun yung the double crunchiness.
He's
ng
already
cracker,
sweating
tsaka
a
ng
lot.
bilis.
Sweating.
Kalat. Yung hipon.
Pangat sila. Yeah. The area. The chili.
Pare, dyan nagtatapos ang ating 1,000 pesos challenge dito sa Jakarta, Indonesia.
No.
Overall, ang ginastos natin ay 98,000 IDR. Pare, 98,000
Oh.
IDR. Kapag kinonvert mo yun, 346 pesos lang, Paps. Sobrang mura mga street food dito, parang sa Manila lang din. Sana
Wow.
nag-enjoy kayo sa video na yun. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ako si Paps Chewy. Nagsasabi, stay safe, sa good night, and goodbye. Big.
Wow, I thought he finished the hundred. No, I mean the 1,000 pesos because that would be a lot. He only spent 300 pesos, 300 plus pesos, so not really that much. It would be like, 2 chicken McDo with rice, 2 servings of chicken McDo, something. So it's still a lot though, since it's just street food. And I think we have similar food, especially the fish cake. Because here we have also fish ball. And the other foods, I don't know. That's very, very Indonesian already. Especially the nasi goreng. And then the other, the one with that looks like pancake with a Milo on it and condensed milk. I really love to taste that because I like sweet food. I like sweet. Sangat manis. I really, really like manis makanan. Yeah. And then the other foods, the duck. I'm shocked that was duck because I think never in my life I eaten a duck. Like not even that balot one, the famous Filipino street food balot. I don't eat that because I feel afraid and I feel like I'm scared to eat that. So a duck, I don't know if I have eaten that already, but no, I feel like I don't eat it. And then, yeah, I think there's a lot of things to buy with the 300,000 Indonesian rupiah, right? So it costs a lot too. So, yeah, you can buy a lot of things with it since the only spent is just 98,000. So, he still have 202,000 IDR. So, still a lot. Not even half of it was spent, which is really cool. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon to my next reaction video. Terima kasih banyak.